I did the MGA internship in spring of 2016, and I was with Senator Pinsky at the time. I was traveling 2 days a week up from SU to Annapolis, and it was a great experience. I wouldn't take it back for anything, and that's where all my success came from. So,
I interned here in the House of Delegates actually for Delegate Ariana Kelly, and that was a fantastic experience. I do believe in hard work, and I believe in doing the best you can, and I worked really hard in college and sacrificed a lot, but truly knowing people gets you very far as well, and it's really important to acknowledge that too. And stuff like internships, fellowships, taking the time to join clubs, really getting to know people around you really propels you to the next limit. It's not just your books that gets you far.
As an intern, you definitely learn the constituent responses, you get to learn the bill process, kind of the 101 that sets you up for a career in Annapolis. So like I said, I would have never gotten the job with Will after I graduated if it wasn't for having that 101 experience and being able to just be thrown into the mix. It's a lot. We have a pretty good representation in Annapolis of Salisbury University students, so it's exciting, and I look forward to getting them engaged and doing what I can for the greater Maryland area.